Okay, so 5.2 is on the start of talking about central tendency. And so I'm going to go over a few notes for that. All right, so measure of central tendency is a single number that summarizes an entire set of data. So the three main ones are your mean, which is your average. So you take the sum of the data and then divide it by how many data values there are. The mode is the value that occurs the most often. And then the median is the middle value, and you have to make sure you arrange it from smallest to largest. Also for the median, let's say it's an even number of data values. You just have to take the two that are in the middle, and then you have to take the average of them. So like for this one, airplane mechanic was asked to prepare an estimate of the cost for an annual inspection of a small aircraft. The mechanic's record showed that 8 prior inspections on the same type of plane have required 9.5, 10.8, 10.1, 8.6, 11.0, 10.7, 9.3, and 11.5 hours. And so I want you to find the average of this information. So that means you add them all up and you divide by how many there are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And once you guys do the mean, I'm just going to go ahead and tell you, you should get 10.1875, which is approximately 10.19. Okay, that's the average. All right, so the next one, a machine shop produces 7 copies of a steel disc. The thickness of the disc, as measured by a vernier caliper, are inches 1.736, 1.742, 1.738, 1.741, 1.739, 1.738, and 1.743. And they want you to find the median. So that means you have to put these numbers from least to greatest. So the least one would be 1.736. The next one is 1.738. And there's another 1.738. There's 1.739. And then there's 1.741, and then 1.742, and then 1.743. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And so you should get the median is 1.739. All right, so for the next one, I want you guys to find the mean, median, and mode for all of these. I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys the answers. And so if you have questions about these, please email me. I'll be happy to help you. So the mean for the first one is 26. The mode was 22. And the median you should get after you guys practice this is 26. The next one, the mean, is 7.057. The mode, there is none. You can have none. And the median is 6.9. All right, so the next one, the mode is 6. The mean is 5.4, and the median is also 6. And then the last one, the average or the mean is 158.27. The mode, there's 2 of them. There's 158 and there's 153. And then the last one, the median is 158.
But how is that SGA's fault? It's not.
All right, I want to give you one more. Let's say you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Let's say you have all these numbers and I ask you to find the median. So there's 6 numbers, right? So that's an even amount of numbers. So I've got these in order. When you have 2 of the same numbers in the middle, to find the median, you just would add these 2 numbers up and divide by how many there are, which is 2. And so your middle number, your median would be 7. A frequency distribution. When the data values are grouped into intervals of the same length known as classes and the number of values within the class is tallied, the tallies are known as frequencies. So, the following are the number of hours during 1 week that a group of drafting students spent working on design and modeling of a crankshaft. So here's all the information. So you have to have your intervals. Then your tallies. Then your frequency. When you guys write your intervals, you need to make sure you have the same amount of intervals. So like you look at your smaller number. So for example, our smallest number here is 14. Maybe I'm going to go by 10 by 19. Notice 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's 10 numbers. The next number you have to go in order would be 20 to 29, and then 30 to 39, and then 40 to 49, and then 50 to 59, and then 60 to 69, and then the last one will be 70 to 79. And then you just tally up. Okay, there's 19, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5. So I would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tallies. Oh, I forgot this one. 6. Y'all see anywhere I miss? Alright, then 28. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, then 30 to 39. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, and then we so on. So that's how you make a frequency. Okay, now the last one. Well, what if you guys wanted to find the average of a frequency? Okay, so I'm going to finish this chart. I'm going to show you guys how to find the average. You will have a question like this on your test, so you guys need to pay attention. I want to know how to find average without having the numbers, okay? Alright, so the next thing you do is you have to find the midpoint or the average of the interval. So you take 10 plus 19 and divide it by 2, and you get 24.5, I believe. excuse me, 14.5. Then you do the next one, 20 plus 29 divided by 2 is 24.5. And if you'll notice, there's a pattern. This will be 34.5. This is 44.5. This is 54.5. This is 64.5. And this is 74.5. All right, the next step is you will multiply your frequency times your midpoint. So 14.5 times 6 is 87. And then 8 times 24.5 is 196. And then 12 times 34.5 is 414. And then 44.5 times 7 is 311.5. And then 3 times 54.5 is 63.5. 3 times 64.5 is 193.5. And then 1 times that is this. Okay? And then the next step is you take the sum of your frequency and you take the sum of your products, and then you're going to end up dividing them. So 6 plus 8 plus 12 plus 7 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. Alright, so 87 plus 196 plus 414 plus 311.5 plus 163.5 plus 193.5 plus 74.5. And then you will get 1,440. And then the last step is you will take your 1,440 and you'll divide it by 40, and you end up with 36, and that would be your average. Okay, and this is also in your book, so please look in your book in section 5.2, and it will show you how to do this as well. So make sure you guys complete the homework. This will be for a grade. So write down that homework, and if you have any questions about any of this, please contact me. Thank you.